How to quickly understand difficult things. Understanding difficult things can be a daunting task, but there are strategies you can use to make the process quicker and easier. In this video, we will discuss some effective methods that you can use to quickly understand difficult concepts. I used the same method to learn more about a complex subject such as quantum computing, math, and physics. The first step is to break the concept down into smaller, more manageable parts. This is often referred to as chunking. Instead of trying to understand the concept as a whole, you can break it down into smaller components and focus on each one individually. This will make it easier to comprehend and remember. The second step is to visualize the concept. This can be done by creating mental images or by drawing diagrams or flowcharts. Visualizing the concept will help you see how different parts relate to each other and make it easier to remember. The third step is to connect the concept to something you already know. This is called scaffolding. By connecting the concept to something you already understand, you can use your prior knowledge as a foundation to build on. This will make it easier to integrate the new concept into your existing understanding. The fourth step is to actively engage with the material. This can be done by asking questions, making connections, and testing your understanding. By actively engaging with the material, you will be more likely to remember it and be able to apply it in the future. The final step is to practice. Learning a difficult concept takes time and practice. By practicing regularly, you will reinforce your understanding and be able to apply the concept more easily in the future. To summarize, the 5 steps to quickly understand difficult concepts are: chunking, visualizing, scaffolding, actively engaging with the material, and practicing. By using these strategies, you can make the process of understanding difficult concepts quicker and easier. In conclusion, understanding difficult things can be challenging, but it is not impossible. By using these strategies, you can make the process of understanding difficult concepts quicker and easier. Remember to break the concept down into smaller parts, visualize the concept, connect it to something you already know, actively engage with the material, and practice regularly. With these steps, you will be well on your way to understanding difficult concepts in no time.